up, guys? It's me, Mr. Cheeseburger, and today, look, we're at the Halloween special, and today we're gonna have so much fun. And today we're at the goats. We're gonna look. There's some goats. Hey, Piggy. Hey, goats. Oh, chickens. Hello, chickens. Buck, 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 buck. And also, we're going to have so much fun together. So, look, they have a bouncy and pumpkins. Hello, little chickens. Hello. Chicken, how you doing? Hello, little goat. Yo, let me feed him. Here, you want some? Give. Here. Here, take some. Hello, little piggy. Piggy, here, eat some at me. Eat some. Huh? Goat!
Samuel, come here.
A goat. Hello, little rabbits. Look, there's some rabbits in here. Look.
You see, Samuel?
Rabbits.
I see a rabbit.
Hello, rabbits. Hello. But little bunnies. Hello, little bunnies. Come on. Hey, you want some? Yeah, feed him. Come on. Is that a pig over there? Pig! I'm gonna turn you into bacon. Whoa, what is it? Whoa. Look over there. Yeah, we're gonna have so much fun together. We're gonna go to the bouncies, but this is gonna be a short video. Look at those. These are so cool. Okay, back to the animals. Look at these chickens. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. Hello, little bunny. Hey, bunny, how you doing? Hey, chicken, how you doing? Chicken. Oh, hey there, little piggy. Oink, oink, oink. Hello, little goats. Hey, goats. Ah! Is that a goat? Is that a, oh, a pig.
Yeah, that's nice, huh?
Hey, piggy. There's two pigs. Oh, hey there. Did he just kiss me? Hello. Oh, I'm gonna feed him. Should I feed him? Hey, here. Here you go. Here you go. Come here. Chickens. Hello. Chicken. Whoa. That chicken. Hey.
Come on, let's go this way. What is that?
Chicken. Hello, little bunny rabbits. Hello. We got a lot of animals in here. This is cool. I'm glad we're in a. Oh, hey there, little piggy. Piggy. I don't know when's the video gonna end. It's gonna stop soon. Oh,
No, put it on.
hey there.
You see?
Hey there. Wait, I'm gonna ask him. Wait, we can feed the goat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Guys, so I asked the man if they have food, but they don't. So we can't feed the animals. We can just look at them. Hello, chicken. How you doing? What's your name? Oh, Turkey. That's cool. Turkey is the cool name, but he didn't actually talk. Oh, hey there, bunny. How are you doing? How you doing? Look at this. This is gonna be the. Look, there's a pumpkin in here. Hi, little pumpkin. I'm sound like a pig. This is a pig. A black pig. Go. Hey. Hey, you want some food? Did he even eat this? He doesn't want some. Oh, hey there. Chick. Hello, chicken. Hey, look. The chicken. Hey, little goatie. How are you doing? So much fun at the Halloween special. Is this just a chicken? Chicken, 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 chicken.